DU brings global industry experience directly into its training programs. Having trained in Europe and collaborated with leading organizations worldwide, our founder ensures that every course bridges the gap between classroom learning and industry expectations, preparing learners for a successful career as a design engineer. What makes us different? We understand that traditional classroom learning can be expensive and often inaccessible. That's why at SG CAD Tech EDU, we provide beginner-level CAD training completely free, enabling students and young professionals to start their CAD journey without financial barriers. For those wishing to advance their skills, we offer affordable, high-quality advanced training programs, ensuring that quality education remains accessible to all. Objective of Learning SOLIDWORKS 2026. Our SOLIDWORKS 2026 courses aim to equip learners with the knowledge and skills required to excel in modern mechanical design. Learn 3D modeling, drafting, and assembly design using SOLIDWORKS 2026. Work on practical projects simulating real-world engineering challenges. Develop expertise in mechanical component and assembly design. Gain confidence to pursue careers as a design engineer, CAD specialist, or mechanical designer. Courses are suitable for students building their first portfolio, professionals upgrading their design skills, enthusiasts passionate about engineering and product design. We also prepare learners for the Certified SOLIDWORKS Associate (CSWA) exam, which validates your SOLIDWORKS proficiency and demonstrates mastery of industry-relevant skills that employers highly value. Process of learning and education. At SG CAD Tech EDU, our approach emphasizes practical, interactive, and hands-on learning. Begin with fundamentals. Understand 2D and 3D systems in mechanical design. Explore software tools. Learn about various 3D modeling software options. Why SOLIDWORKS? Understand why SOLIDWORKS is preferred by the industry. Unlike traditional teaching methods, our approach is not limited to videos or book-based learning. We focus on personal interaction, reaching each candidate individually to ensure better understanding. Interactive sessions. Participants are encouraged to share problems, doubts, and drawings, for example, in PDF format. Queries are resolved promptly, sometimes through live sessions. Practical over theory. Our system emphasizes real-world applications, ensuring skills are directly applicable. Learn more and engage with us at www.sgcadtechedu.com. Softwares available and used by maximum manufacturing industries/sectors. A variety of design software tools are available in the market, including AutoCAD, Inventor, Creo, CATIA, SOLIDWORKS, and Siemens NX. Among these, SOLIDWORKS is the most widely used in the manufacturing industry due to its versatility, efficiency, and strong industry acceptance. We highly recommend SOLIDWORKS to new mechanical engineers, as it enhances career opportunities and equips professionals with skills that are in demand across global industries. We hope you and many among the new enthusiasts and professionals will be keen to join our free upskilling educational program, if so kindly. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, get registered for interaction, and exchange of your PDF drawings, etc. At our website, www.sgcadtechedu.com. Share with your friends to extend the reach of our videos, etc. like the video, and do not forget to hit the bell to receive our notification of our future videos.